A day's work as the matatu conductor on the route to Makadara will earn Lucas Ogada 200 shillings. But like most people here in Kariobangi, he doesn't know what he'll earn tomorrow.
Today you can get 600, tomorrow you get 7, following day you can get 1,000. Even we can earn sometimes at less than 200 shillings.
He's never had a loan from a bank, but in the last 6 months, Lucas has taken out 2 loans over his mobile phone.
First loan I took, I used to repay another loan I had from somebody. I repaid it from loan again. Then I requested another one. They gave me immediately. Then that one I used to pay my house rent. A loan from Mshwari is very, very easy to get.
M-Shwari is a new banking platform, a partnership between the Commercial Bank of Africa and Kenya's biggest mobile network, Safaricom. It expands Kenya's pioneering M-Pesa payment system to a simple bank account where customers can earn interest on savings and access small amounts of credit instantly on the mobile phone.
You can literally apply for it and get a reply within seconds over your mobile phone, and that's an incredible development in the Kenyan market.
People are very aware, already very conversant with transacting mobile, whether it's doing banking or paying for water. M-Pesa really has to be credited a lot for that. The fact that we are riding on a very familiar and trusted brand in Kenya helps a great deal.
I had 1 shilling in my M-Pesa, then I activated it with 1 bob, 1 shillings, because they had said you can start saving by 1 shilling.
Evelyn Mumo supports 3 kids by buying second-hand weaves that she sews into wigs. Evelyn began using M-Shwari to save, and now she also uses small loans to buy stock for her business.
My customers there had a lot of them, but my money was little. That is the day I realized that even if you don't have money in the Mshwari, you can also borrow.
Evelyn started with a 100 shilling loan, and she's been steadily building her credit limit by paying back carefully within a few days. Her savings will help her achieve larger loans.
I was sent a message. I was told your average saving is this. Increase your saving to uplift you the limit of a loan.
Loan amounts depend on how much clients have saved in their M-Shwari accounts and their repayment behaviour.
The idea is to link the two in people's minds such that you see it as a cash flow management tool.
We're trying to shift the trust relationship between a bank and a customer, where we want to demonstrate to the customer that I will trust you with my money before you trust me with yours. But I can only trust you with more of my money based on how well you are saving and how well you're repaying. So the relationship between savings and credit for us is, I believe, a very necessary interaction.
Loans have to be repaid within a month with a 7.5% fee.
Enter amount the loan, the amount of money that you want. Let's say it's 5,000.
Lucas's limit has just gone down since he was a few days late repaying his last 1,000 shilling loan.
Then you enter the PIN. Your loan request was declined because the amount was higher than your maximum limitation. You are currently not qualified for. You are currently qualified for 800 shillings. You make sure it doesn't pass 30 days. If you pass the limitation of the time, they tell you that they will report it to Kenya Credit Society so that they block you from taking any loan again.
M-Shwari is signing up 12,000 new customers every day.
We achieved 1 million customers in 41 days. If you compare that with something like Facebook, Facebook took 10 months to hit 1 million customers.
Leveraging M-Pesa's platform has turned the Commercial Bank of Africa into one of the top players in the Kenyan banking market, and that's shaking things up.
It really is a major move away from the bricks and mortar model, which has dominated the Kenyan banking industry for 100 years. But it's showing that actually work in the right way, and there's an opportunity for both the banking industry as well as the mobile network operator.
There's going to be many other financial institutions, whether banks or MFIs or SACCOs, who will be able to see, okay, here is a shift in paradigms.
I think it's going to encourage other banks to get on board, to be looking to provide better services, better offers. It's saying to the industry, we've got to develop solutions which really make sense for the consumer. So I expect heightened competition, and out of that, much better deals for consumers. And ultimately, we'll see price competition, I think, as well.
And that competition is what could bring the next wave of financial services for customers like Lucas and Evelyn.
We want to offer formal financial services to as many people, if not all, but in a way that that product actually gives them some empowerment. We do not want to just count account numbers, but we want to see impact. We want to see transformation in people's lives.
Sasa